guys, I want to open up the vlog to say happy Father's Day to God first for providing and protecting and doing everything for me and my family, and second of all to my biological father, who is no longer here, but I can feel his presence every day, so I'm grateful for that. And to my stepfather who raised me, I am so forever grateful for you, and happy Father's Day to you. And to the father of all four of my kids, I appreciate you for all that you do, and happy Father's Day. That's why I want to open up the vlog and say, and I got to take care of this little one before he start going crazy. Hey guys, so my 13-year-old got up and made breakfast, guys. He made him and his siblings some breakfast this morning, so I'm so proud of him. He got up early to make his siblings some breakfast. This is so nice of him. I made these homemade quesadillas, guys, and they are delicious, guys. And I got some salsa right here and some Casablanca sauce, guys, and it's really, really good with both sauces. I'm really enjoying this. All right, guys, so I got Amazon haul. I got some Slim Jims coming later. I don't know why they ship those separate, because I ordered these with the Slim Jims. But anyways, I got these freeze pops. They are 80 a piece in each box. I got 2 boxes of them. I got the flavors are Louis Blue Raspberry, Strawberry, Lime, Grape, Punch-O Punch, and Orange. And then I got a 24-pack of noodles. I started to get another 24-pack of noodles. I might end up getting another 24-pack of noodles. I don't know. Just thinking about it, but because my kids, they go straight through these things, so I know they're gonna be excited to get these. Anyways, that is it for this haul, guys. So I got an order from Walmart and Amazon, and I got some Dream Team mail that I'm gonna open later. I'm not gonna show that because it's gonna be showing my addresses and everything, so I just wanted to show that. But anyways, I got 2 of these turkey snacks, and I got these Slim Jims, and I also got this Calgon bath beads, moisturizing bath beads. I really, really love this for us. We take our baths, guys. I got this multi-purpose cleaner, disinfect cleaner. I got 4 of these paper towels. I also got these carpet fresheners, the Fresh Sensations. I got a lot of soap. I got 2 of these 8-pack of Coast soap. I really like Coast soap. And I like the way this our spring smells. It's the Moisture Blast. It's 12 bars of soap in there, and it's 18 bars of soap. I like to have a lot of soap and bath stuff, guys. I also got this bubble bath. This is the Breezy Ocean. I also got these paper plates. I also, also got these paper cups, because I'm gonna make some honey drippers for these. And that is it for this haul, guys. So in this box, guys, it has this scrub mommy. I never had one of these before. I always see these. I've been seeing these in, I think, Brown Eyes walkthroughs. I seen this in one of the walkthroughs somewhere that she went. But I want to try this. I'm excited about trying this out. And pink stuff, I love this pink stuff. I love, 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 love this pink stuff. I swear by this stuff. It gets your stuff very, very clean. I mostly use this on my walls and stuff. Okay, I gotta open these bags up and see what's in this bag, because my baby right here, one of my babies. He thinking we going somewhere, so he putting on his clothes. I'm gonna come back when I open these bags, guys. Guys, so I'm back, guys, and I want to come back and show the rest of the stuff that was in the box, guys. I think it's another box coming, guys, but I want to show you guys what's in there. See, I love this stuff. I love pink stuff, guys. And she got the spray and the paste. So I'm so excited about that. If anybody that knows me know, I love to cook and I love to clean. So this right here, like this stuff, it made me so happy when I opened this box and seeing all this stuff. It was just like Christmas up here, okay? It was like Christmas, okay? But anyways, I want to continue on. This is my twin of them behind me. My twin. Every week I cannot think to buy some darn. Really, Anthony? I cannot think to buy some darn. So I'm back, guys, and I want to show you what I had in this box, guys. I got the paste and I got the spray. I love to clean and cook. So this stuff like this, it makes me so excited. And this is the pink stuff, the Miracle Bathroom Foam. Now I never had the bathroom kind. I always get the pink stuff, the spray, but I never had the bathroom kind. So I'm gonna try this out. I can't wait to try this out in my bathroom, in both our bathrooms, And I keep forgetting to get freaking darn soap. So there's soap that go in the bathrooms, like the hand soap. And I'm happy that she sent these. This is the kind I really love. They usually have this kind on our bottle, so I usually purchase this kind, like the Suave. So I have the Ocean Breeze, and I also have the Lemon and Citrus. And she also sent this Myers. I always say I'm gonna buy this and never ever buy it. This Myers Clean Day spray. This is the Peony scent. Mrs. Myers. This is like natural cleaning spray. So I think this is so cool that she sent this. And I always see people try have this use this power wash. I got this power wash. It's the platinum power wash. Wow. Okay. And this is the lemon. I love lemon scent stuff. So, I love lemon scent stuff. So I was excited when I seen this. This is the lemon essence scent of the Dawn dish detergent. I love y'all. I don't know how many times I got expressed. I love lemon scent stuff. Y'all, don't mind me. I was cooking early and cleaning, so my darn cleaning clothes. It look a mess. And I'm finna change it to something different in a few, guys. Cause we'll probably be going outside later on today. Cause I don't want to be just sitting up in the house all day long. And I'm finna organize this other stuff, y'all. And I'll be back later on in this video, guys. Alright guys, this is breakfast. We have some grits, we have some eggs, we have some turkey sausage, we also have some potatoes, guys, and we have some grape jelly toast. My freaking son got me up because he wanted to wake up early and make breakfast for him and his siblings, y'all. He thought he had made enough for me too, but he was still trying to make more. And, he was trying to go back and make some more. I was like, no, you okay, son? He doing so good. I'm teaching them how to do laundry and how to cook and they are doing really, really good. I already starting like on the summer stuff. I'm trying to get more stuff for them for the summer. That I know that Dad started getting this stuff too. Yeah, I am so freaking tired. I'm finna go back to sleep, but right now I'm watching Video Salon right now. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. It's another teen mom YouTuber I watch. I think her name Anitra or something. I can never remember her first name. I got to go and see if she posted, because she just moved to Texas by herself, and I like her channel. I've been watching her for a long time. I've been watching her for a while. But yeah, I'm finna rest, y'all. Because my son got me up early. I was in a deep sleep too. I was in a really deep sleep, and he had got me up, y'all. Early. It's still early, y'all. He cooked that breakfast and put it in the microwave. Yeah, I'm excited to I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing in the hauls. At the beginning of the video, I'm finna put some different stuff out in a couple of days, y'all. I'm enjoying this upload. What it's called? This upload schedule right now, because I'm trying to get my mojo back. I'm trying to get back into uploading. It's gonna be more uploading days, but for now it's gonna be 2 for now until I can get my mojo back. I'm not trying to overdo it. I've been driving a little bit, y'all. I haven't been driving a lot, but I have been driving a little bit. I want to make effort. I don't want to just give up and not try. So that's what I've been doing too. And we'll be outside later on today. I'm trying to vlog as much as I can, so that this can be a nice long vlog. I know y'all say y'all like when I talk to you guys. Y'all, it's been, I like that pot. I got me a couple of pot sets, but it's some that I'm finna get. They've been on sale. It's something I'm finna get. It's another pot that I'm finna get, and it's one pot that I'm gonna get by itself, and it's 3 other pots that I'm gonna get. It's a set. It is so nice. I can't wait, because I can't wait to do these cooking videos. I love to cook and I love to clean, and that's mostly what I'm gonna start off doing before I start doing the home decorating stuff, showing you guys the home decorating stuff. That's what I'm gonna be doing mostly until I get everything fully together, until we get everything fully furnished and together. I'm gonna be doing those kind of videos. It's gonna take time, because we ain't no extra rich people, but it's gonna take time, and it's gonna come together, and we also ain't gonna take too long to do everything, but everything gonna come together full circle. I'm just not in a rush to try to do stuff. I want all our stuff to be very, very nice and look really, really good, and I can't wait till everything is finished so I can show you guys. Y'all, they put freaking one of my sons put slime on my other son's cover, so I'm up here. I'm trying to get off. But she over here making breakfast for him. I'm gonna read my daily devotion in a little while and rest a little bit more, because I don't want to be like tired today, because I'm making a big dinner today. I'm making some jerk chicken, I'm making some meatloaf, I'm making some rice, and I'm gonna make some cornbread, and I'm gonna also make another vegetable, probably string beans. I was gonna make cabbage, but I said I'm gonna make string beans instead of cabbage. I'm gonna make some string beans. I'll probably cook it with y'all, or I'll probably just show you guys what I made. We'll see. But I'll be back, y'all. Guys, so I'm gonna make some jerk chicken wings, and I'm gonna make some jerk and some meatloaf. I got this meatloaf seasoning over here too, and this the stuff for all this stuff for the meatloaf over here. Okay, but anyways, this how I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna use this Great Value jerk seasoning. I gotta find out how to make my own jerk seasoning from scratch, because I want to make my own jerk seasoning from scratch. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper on the chicken also. And I'm gonna use some Body Complete. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of Creole seasoning. I'm not gonna put a lot of Creole seasoning. I'm gonna sprinkle it.
Mom, I didn't know it today, but Thursday, I didn't know that. We can make it.
Alright guys, so I am preparing our dinner, guys. We are having some jerk chicken, guys, with some meatloaf. And what I put inside my jerk chicken is this Caribbean sauce. Wing mix, ground black pepper, Body Complete, and a little bit of Creole seasoning. Alright, so I'm making meatloaf, guys. I'm gonna start off using this sauce right here, guys. It's really good sauce, guys. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme in there, guys. And then I'm gonna put some onions in here. And then I'm gonna put breadcrumbs. And then I'm gonna crack eggs, put in here. And then I'm gonna put some ground pepper, ground black pepper, and then Body Complete, and then meatloaf seasoning. Guys, so we have some string beans. We have some yellow rice. We have some meatloaf. We have some stovetop stuffing, guys. We also have some jerk chicken. And we have some cornbread. And we're also going to have some brownies for dessert for tonight. Always, this is what we have for our Sunday dinner. So I'm going to end out the vlog, guys. And right now I am watching Charles, guys. This one I'm watching right now. Yeah, I'm about to watch that right now and finish cleaning. And I don't know what else. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Look forward to seeing you guys Thursday for our new video, guys. And that's all I want to say is I appreciate you guys. And thank you for your continued support. And I'll see you guys next vlog.